of freedom. When I'm riding my bike, I feel freedom. I see the beautiful mountain, the wind touch my face. For the moment I feel alive in my feet, with the wind in my head and hand. My bike and I was a perfect combo. Together I ride till a journey, and the wheels spinning around, my heart beating fast. Through mountain high and valley lows, I ride my bike with a joy and grateful and every ride. In ever sweet, in ever pedal, I saw take there was no limit. No band, just the road. And before competition, I wake up early to prepare the things I need to deep breathe and ask the guidance of above. I think every practice that I have done before. During the competition, I feel nervous because there are players was from in Pangasinan and Baguio who were being competed during the starting line. My hand hold on my handlebar and ready, steady, brave self. The whistle will blow and the word will become blurred. Let close my eyes and tell myself I can do it, and I made it top 10.